students, welcome back in another very exciting video. My name is video right. Remember the channel is Bedman 178 where we learn English and Luganda language with ease. Okay, today we are going to look at an important phrase or an important word that is near. Can you repeat that? Near. So today we are going to look at using near. And what does near mean in English and Luganda? So in English, near, it means something close to another thing. One more time, something close to another thing. So you have to have two items being close to each other. Mu Luganda near kitegeeza ekintu nga kiri kumpi n'ekirala. One more time, ekintu nga kiri kumpi n'ekirala. We ngamba ekintu nga kiri kumpi n'ekirala. For example, I put these two markers close. Okay, so they are near each other. So ekintu nga kiri kumpi n'ekirala. Muluzungu tukozesa akagamba aka near. Is that okay? So near in Luganda can mean kumpi. Can you repeat that? Near kumpi. Okay, near kumpi. Excellent. Let's have a look at some examples. Examples. Number one, can you read for me this? At this level, you should be able to read. Read this. The school is near my house. One more time. The school is near my house. So, the school is near my house. In Luganda, we say esomero. So, school in Luganda, we say esomero. Okay? Esomero is school in English. So, esomero liri kumpi ne. So, most of the times when you're using this kumpi or inagamba, esomero liri kumpi ne nyumba. So, house is nyumba. Esomero liri kumpi ne nyumba yange. My house, nyumba yange. Okay? So, esomero liri kumpi ne nyumba yange. Another example. I live near Kampala. So you must have two objects or two items. So you have you and Kampala. So I live near Kampala. Is that okay? I live near Kampala. In Luganda we say Mbeera kumpi ne Kampala. So you've realized that when you use this kumpi, oyambisa article aya ne. So Mbeera kumpi ne Kampala. Is that okay? Mbeera kumpi ne Kampala. Beautiful. The next example. The shop is near the church. One more time. The shop is near the church. So church in Luganda we call it a kanisa. A kanisa. That is church. And the shop in Luganda we call it a duka. Repeat that. A duka. Okay, so the shop is near the church. It's going to be a duka liri kumpi ne kanisa. Okay, a duka liri kumpi ne kanisa. So the next example is yours to try. Don't stand near me. When I say don't stand near me, don't stand near me. And how can I say this in Luganda? Please write your answers in the comment section. One more time. Don't stand near me. How can you write this phrase in Luganda? I'm waiting to see your answers. Okay, so let's meet up in the next video. Hope you've learned something. So please share learn English and Luganda with ease. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. Whatever.